Learn a Hadith with Muskan and Sarah. Assalamu alaikum Muskan and Sarah. Walaikum assalam Fatima. Can I play with you for some time? Sure Fatima. Come and sit down. I see a lot of new toys here. And they look so cute. Yes Fatima. My daddy gave these presents for Eid. Can I play with the new toys? We are playing with them now. I promise you that I will share with you after some time. You can play with the brown teddy till that time. Okay, Muskan. Sarah, can I play with the new toys now? No, Fatima. I won't share my new toys with you. My daddy bought the toys for us. But you promised that you will share your toys with me. No. I won't share my toys. I won't play with you guys. You are so mean. I am going to my home.
Daddy, it's so sunny outside today.
Yes, it's very hot outside.
Fatima, don't cry. What happened, dear?
Muskan and Sarah promised me that they will share their toys with me. And they broke their promise now.
Let me talk with them. Muskan and Sarah, can you please come here? Muskan and Sarah, Fatima said that you guys promised her that you will share your new toys with her. Why did you guys break that promise you made?
Mommy, those are our new toys. Daddy bought it for us for Eid.
Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, if someone makes a promise and breaks it, then it is one of the signs of hypocrisy. We should never break our promise. As promised, please share your new toys with Fatima. And say sorry to your Fatima. And do not break your promise again.
Okay, Mommy. We will never break our promise again. Fatima, we are sorry. Please come with us. We will share and play with our new toys.
Mashallah, my darlings. You guys can go up and play now.
Okay, Mommy. Please subscribe to Quran and Hadith for Kids. For more videos, hit the bell icon now.